Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will model the associative property as a strategy to multiply. Okay, let's take a quick review of what is the associative property of multiplication. So the associative property of multiplication states that numbers that are multiplied can be grouped in any order and the product will be the same. Okay, so we can go ahead and break apart numbers and rearrange them, and the product or the answer will be the same. Now, let's go ahead and look at this problem. Let's do this with this problem. So we have 16 times 3. Right, so 16 times 3 is a pretty big number. Here is the array diagram for it, right? So we have a lot of triangles here. We have 16 groups of 3, right? Or 3 groups of 16. Now, we can go ahead and multiply, but that can be kind of hard to do. That can seem very overwhelming. So what we can do is we can go ahead and split our 16 into more manageable factors. So we can split 16 into 4 times 4. We can also do 8 times 2. Both of these will work to help us multiply. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and use 4 times 4. That's what I chose, but you can definitely use 8 times 2. So we can rewrite 16 times 3 as 4 times 4. That's going to give us our 16 times 3. Now, because of the associative property, we can now also change it to 4 times 4 times 3. So now let's go ahead and represent this with our array model, right? So I'm going to go ahead and group together 4 times 3. So I have a group, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and I can go ahead and find 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this right here is one group of 4 times 3. Now, I can go ahead and do this one. There's another group of 4 times 3. Here's another group of 4 times 3. And here's another group of 4 times 3. So we have 4 groups of 4 times 3, which we can see right here in our multiplication sentence, 4 groups of 4 times 3. So now we can go ahead and combine everything together. So I know 4 times 3 is going to give me 12. So all of these are going to be 12, right? So this will equal 4 times 12. So 4 groups of 12, which if we were to multiply those together would give us 48. Now, if multiplying 4 times 12 seems too difficult and that is still a big number for us to work with in our brains, we can definitely combine 12 plus 12, which is 24, and combine 12 plus 12 again, which is 24, and we can add 24 plus 24, which will give us 48. So that is our product. There are multiple different ways that we can come across this product, but these are some strategies to help us make it a little bit easier. All right, let's take a review of today's lesson objective. So today we modeled the associative property as a strategy to multiply. Okay, thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope this lesson made it a little bit easier to multiply big numbers, and I hope that this was a helpful lesson for y'all. Well, I'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day, and thank you for joining me. Bye, everybody.